Digital PR Unfiltered. Introduction. Digital visibility is no longer optional. It is the new authority. Read that again. Remember when SEO was sweet, simple, and straightforward? Get your site ranked, build solid backlinks, and you're golden. Those days are gone. But you might not realize that today, brand authority matters more than ever. With AI reshaping search behaviors, traditional tactics alone won't cut it anymore. You need to build lasting visibility that stays strong, no matter how Google's algorithms evolve. Gen Z and Gen Alpha are changing the game further. These younger audiences are not searching for products and services using traditional search engines. Instead, they use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Reddit to find trusted information. Those are the platforms they consider trustworthy, and it's pertinent for businesses to understand this, even if you're not specifically targeting these groups. For marketers, this means getting recognition right where these conversations are happening. It's the only way to influence the data that feeds LLM responses. In this book, we unpack exactly how to achieve that kind of omnipresent, sustainable visibility through digital PR. The insights you gain here will help you future-proof visibility, both for your own business and your clients. We will also show you how to choose between traditional link building or digital PR. While the goals are overlapping, the focuses and values are different. So, what else can you expect from this book? Practical advice, real-world examples from our experiences at Digital Web Solutions, and a clear 7-step roadmap to mastering digital PR outreach. But why should you listen to us about anything in the first place? Because at DWS, we've invested nearly 2 decades refining thousands of campaigns and guiding hundreds of brands to real authority and lasting success. After reading this book, you will hold the exact process in the palm of your hand. Think of it as a detailed guide with clearly explained steps that give you, for yourself and your clients, a clear path to successful digital PR. So, from one marketer to another, you're holding the holy grail of digital PR. No BS, no fluff. Let's get into it.